Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today we are back with Sample Sunday. We're on week 3 of being able to be consistent. So let's go ahead and start with the samples. I fell in love with one. I think I'm going to purchase it during the SEPHORA sale because it is really good in my opinion. So the one that I fell in love with, we're going to start with that, is the Tom Ford foundation. I honestly didn't think I would fall in love with this because it is more of a matte foundation. And I thought for sure that I would not like that because my skin is very dry. But it's not a true matte foundation. It's not one of those mattes that you put on and you immediately feel like your skin is the desert. It's one of those mattes that just makes your skin look perfected. I love this. This is called the Traceless Soft Matte Foundation. I tried all of the colors. Oh my gosh, hopefully it's not leaking all over my basket. It is. It looks like poo in my basket now. Good job. Oh, nice. So I tried all of the different colors in here. I thought I could use the one as a bronzer, but I couldn't. It was just not the right color. But I ended up falling in love with the shade right here, which is 4.0 Fawn. So I love that shade because it looks so good on my skin. It was like a perfect match. So I absolutely love this foundation. It's a bit expensive, but during the SEPHORA sale, that's when you want to purchase those things that are a little bit more expensive. So it's more expensive foundation, and I probably don't need more foundation because you guys saw that I did a foundation declutter, but I love it. So I'm going to be purchasing this foundation during the sale. I love how it wears. I love how long it lasts on my skin. I love how it looks on my skin. I love the coverage of it. I don't think there's anything that I can say that I do not like about it. It was just fantastic. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing this foundation. The next thing is this right here. This is the Philosophy Smooth Glow Multitasking Moisturizer. I didn't like this. I thought it was going to be a better moisturizer because Philosophy, I usually do like most of their products. But honestly, their skincare, I've noticed I don't absolutely love a lot of their skincare. I like more of their body care products, like their body lotions and their bath products. I think those are a lot more better. Does that make sense? Anyway, this for me it was just an okay product. It was fine for moisturizer if you have maybe normal skin. I have dry skin and my skin was just like, oh, I need more. So for me, it just was not enough moisturization. So that's probably why I couldn't really love it as much as I thought I would. The next thing is from Kiehls. This is the Ultra Facial Cleanser. I really like this as well. It's a nice, gentle facial cleanser. I felt like when I put it onto my skin felt hydrated even after cleaning it. Sometimes your skin, when you clean it, it can almost feel dry, like squeaky clean when you're finished. This did not make my skin feel that way. It just felt hydrated and clean and fresh. So I really like this as well. I won't be purchasing it because I've got tons of facial cleansers that I can use. So that's not what I'm going to be purchasing. The next thing, oh, I've got foundation on that too. I don't have anything to wipe it off with, do I? Oh, let me see. Yes, I do. I have a cloth here. Okay. This is the Amika. Oh my gosh, it's foundation everywhere. My basket. I'm going to have to give it a bath. It looks like somebody took a crap in my basket. So this is the Kure Multitasking Repair Treatment. So this you put in your hair after you've showered and shampooed and everything. So like you can put it in and leave it in for a little while, or you can put it in and leave it in for the whole time. The only thing I will tell you is, I don't know if you can hear it because I didn't use it all. It's super runny. So when you open this up, and if you're not careful, like a ding dong, opened it up upside down and it just started pouring out. And I'm like, oh no. So you have to open it up this way, but it's a very thin consistency. So it does do a good job of like being able to spread through your hair. Did I notice a difference? No. But I'm sure it's one of those things that we might have to use a lot more times than just twice for it to actually be noticed, because I only washed my hair twice this week. I only wash my hair either once or twice a week. So this was twice this week. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna use the rest of this up and then decide, because I still have some more in here. But right now, I probably wouldn't purchase that either. The next thing is a perfume or a cologne. This is oh my gosh, this has got makeup on it too. Yep, my basket. This is the Ralph Lauren. So this is a men's fragrance, but I always say that. I use men's fragrances once in a while because I think they smell amazing. I think some men's fragrances smell better than women's fragrances. So this was one that I didn't really love though. It smells good, but it's not one that I personally would purchase for myself nor my husband. It's just not anything that's unique enough. So it's, to me, it's just not very unique. So I won't be purchasing that. The next thing is from Authentic Beauty Concept. This is a shaping cream. This works really, really well. I have a hard time holding any kind of curl in my hair. My hair tends to go flat very quickly. I don't know why, because I have natural body to my hair, but for some reason when I curl my hair, it goes flat very quickly. This helped my hair hold the style. I didn't really shape it with this, but what I did was put it in and then curled it, and I found that my hair curled and stayed curled for a longer time frame. I used my Dyson, the air wrap, when I did it because I didn't want to put like clamp heat onto it. So I used the Dyson air wrap and my hair stayed with nice waves throughout the whole day. So I really do like this, and it's got foundation. But that was really nice, so I would purchase this as well. This is a Authentic Beauty. It's real, honest, purpose-driven. I don't know what it's, mineral oil. It says it's free from microplastics, mineral oil, parabens, and silicone. So if those things are important to you, it is free of those items. The next thing is the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. For some reason, when I use this, I thought it was going to be like a conditioner, so I put it on after I shampooed, and I made sure I got all of my shampoo out of my hair. But when I put it on, for some reason it started like lathering up, and I'm like, what are you doing? Why is this lathering? But it had a good lather to it. It didn't leave my hair detangled though. Like, it literally felt like a rat's nest after I finished using this, so it's not for me. It's certain hair types I know work better with different types of products. This just was not for my hair type. My hair type is, I have not a lot of hair, but I have a good amount of hair, but I just have really thin hair. You know what I'm saying? Like each of my hair strands are very thin. So I don't know, it's not for me. The next thing is from Kinship. This is the Naked Papaya. Oh my gosh. Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Facial Cleanser. This, you can feel a tingle when you're using it. And I think it's because of the fruit enzymes. Fruit enzymes are very good for exfoliating your skin. And I feel like you can feel it exfoliating your skin. I'm thinking it's like that. It was the AHAs or BHAs. AHAs above the skin and the BHAs below. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. I don't know, to be honest. Either way, I feel like it did a good job of cleaning my skin, and my skin felt very good afterwards. The only thing is, I think if you're sensitive to any kind of tingling sensation or anything like that, I don't think you're gonna like it. Me personally, I would rather use other things to exfoliate my skin. I like the more physical exfoliant, not the more chemical exfoliant. I don't know why, but I just do. I like the feeling of everything coming off. So either way, I think it's good. Not anything I'm personally gonna purchase though. The next thing is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Foundation or Primer. I tried it on my foundation, underneath my foundation, and it made me look a little too dry. So what I ended up using this for, which you're probably going to think is crazy, but I have thicker thighs. So I put it between my legs, and I was able to keep my legs from rubbing together, like when I'm working out or like just walking around with like shorts on, because it's not hot out here. But I have been wearing shorts a lot more lately because I've been having a lot of hot flashes. So this was great for that. So if you cannot find a purpose for a primer that's more of a matte one, maybe try it for that, especially if it's got silicone in it. This doesn't have much silicone in it, so I think a silicone one would have been better, but this did a good job as doing it as well. So I still found a purpose for it. The next and last thing is the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. It's a typical cleanser. I didn't think it was anything spectacular. I didn't try it the last week, and so I tried it this week. And honestly, there's not much to say about it. It's a cleanser. It's very thin. It did a good job of cleaning. It doesn't take eye makeup off very well. So if you're looking for something to take eye makeup off with, this is not it. So I don't know. My basket, look guys, it looks like somebody took a poo-poo in my basket. I don't know if you can even see it. What in the world? Maybe using a basket like this wasn't the greatest idea. All right, let's go ahead and move on to some new samples. I'm gonna pull perfume first. I'm gonna pull one perfume. So let's reach in here and grab a perfume. What do we got? Ooh, we have Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. I'm not sure I've ever tried this perfume. I wanna smell it. I don't have any on right now, so. This smells really good. very summery. So far I like that a lot. Okay, let's pull skincare next. I'm gonna pull 3 out of this basket. Let's start over here because I think normally I start way back there. The first thing is Juice Beauty. This is the Prebiotics Tartic Iris. It's an instant flash facial. Never heard of this before. Have you guys heard of this before? That's interesting. All right, let's see. I'll go back here. What can we grab? Something big. What is this? This is the Formula 10.06 Draw It All Out Skin Detoxing Peel Mask. It's charcoal and plum. Ooh. I'm pretty sure this was something recently I got in one of my freebies, so I'm excited to try that. I love a peel mask. I don't know about you guys, but a peel mask is fun. And then the last thing is from Derma-E. This is the Ultra Lift DMAE Concentrated Serum. It's copper peptides, resveratrol, and crocodile plum. Tightens and tones your skin. Ooh, it's got copper in it. What does copper do for your skin? I'm a little confused what copper does. All right, I'm gonna set this one down. Oh my gosh. I'm always scared I'm gonna like spill everything out of it. All right, let's go on to makeup. Let's pull 2 out of the makeup basket. The first one is, let's see, what's this? We have the This Works. It's a in-transit camera close-up mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one. So here is a little, ew, I have that foundation on my fingers. It looks like I have poop. I promise it's not poop. That's what I get for opening up the darker shade and trying to use it as a bronzer and then not being able to seal it all the way back up. All right, next one is, let's see, what is this? We have the Caliray Come Hell or High Water Zero Smudges Lash Conditioning Argan Oil Easy Roll Off Removal Clean Mascara. So I'm not sure I've ever heard of this either. So have you guys ever heard of this mascara before? It looks very interesting. So you guys want to see my cup of coffee I'm enjoying? Look at this. Look at this. So extra. You guys know I love Redone, so I have to have some Easter Redone cups. All right, hair care and body care. Let's pull 3 out of here. The first one is, what do we got? Naughty. This is Intensive Care Leave-In Conditioner. It's for frizzy and damaged hair. I mean, that's my hair all in one, so I'm excited to try this out and see how it works. The next one is, let's see. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, Moroccanoil. This is the Moroccan Blonde Perfecting Purple Shampoo. I love Moroccanoil. I have quite a few products from Moroccanoil. I don't know why my camera, like sometimes it's like super bright and sometimes it's not. I hate it. And the last one is, let's see, what do we have here? Oh my gosh. Last one is Kiehls Soulcare. This is the Rich Nourishing Body Cream. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. I'm pretty sure Kiehls is Alicia Keys. I want to see what this looks like. I'm just curious to see what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's purple too. Is the actual cream purple or is that just the bottle? No, the cream is white. So I thought it was going to be purple. I'm like, that would be interesting. All right, so that is everything I'm going to be testing out this week. I have it all in my poo-poo basket. All right, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and pick a winner from last week because I have the sample giveaway bag is right here. It was the silver one. I think this is the First Aid Beauty, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, First Aid Beauty little bag. So let me grab my phone. I have it already pulled up. All I have to do is scroll and choose a winner. And stop. We have Jess. She says, wait a minute. Yep, Jess, love your hair. I missed that hashtag Sample Sunday was back. So glad to see you. I have used up all of my samples, so would love to try more. I can speak, I promise. Jess, if you want to send me an email, my email will be listed below with your mailing address. I will send you out your goodie bag. So congratulations to Jess. You win this goodie bag. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the new samples. I have another one of these bags. I have one right now. I'm using all of the lipsticks in it, the lipstick pens. So I'm going to grab a lipstick pen first to put it in here. This is going to be the goodie bag for this week. Uh-oh. I think I drew it too tight. Let me grab a color out of here. Let's see what color you get this week. You get purple. You have a purple lipstick pen. And then all the samples. So let's come put our 10 samples in here so we can see what kind of samples we're giving away this week. This is a Origins bag. It's like canvas and then it draws tight, so it's perfect to put any kind of products in. Like I said, I put all of my lip pens in there, so that's what I use mine for. All right, let's go ahead and start. We have the first one is, ooh, some lashes. We have the Luxury Lashes by Lashaholic. So here's what the lashes look like. They look very dramatic. The next one is, let's see. Ooh, we have the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So here's a Colossal Mascara. The next one is, ooh, what's this? We have the NYX. This is the NYX Retractable Eyeliner in the shade, it says waterproof white. So it's just a white liner. So they're great for like the waterline. It will brighten your eyes up. So there's 3 so far. The next one is perfume. We have the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. This is a really good perfume, perfect for summer. The next one is, let's see. We have the Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. So here's a little skin booster. I think that's 4. Oh my gosh, I'm already losing count. The next one is, let's see. Oh, what do we have here? IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Makeup. It's a 3-in-1 makeup melting cleansing balm. So you have a cleansing balm on here so you can try it out to see if it does it good for you to remove your makeup. This is very, very good. I will tell you personally, I like that a lot. The next one is, ooh, Bobbi Brown. This is Bobbi Brown Smoky Eyes Mascara. So here's a mascara. That's 6. Next one is, ooh, this one is missing. Okay, awesome. The next one is, we have L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Base. Prime first. Ooh, so that's 6. The next one is Lancome Monsieur Big. Okay, I was like, wait, is that missing too? No, it's here. It just fell out when I opened the box up. Oh, I need to get it back in there. Okay, the Monsieur Big or Mr. Big mascara. So that's 7. The next one is, you're getting lots of mascaras and eye products. We have the Grande Brow. This is the Grande Brow Clear Serum 6-week supply. So this is a brow serum, so you can put it into your brows to help grow your brows. The next one is, we have 2 more to go. Let's see if we can find something other than an eye product. Like we got tons of like mascaras and lashes, so let's find something different. What's this? Ooh, a palette. We have the Wet n Wild Color Icon. This one is, what is the shade? I don't see what the shade is, but here's what the colors look like in here. So there's an eyeshadow palette in here. This looks like a pretty decent bag so far. And the last item in here is, let's see. Let's see if we can find something else really good in here. Oh, what's that? Oh, what is that? Ooh. Here is the, I was making sure it was in there, the Sol de Janeiro Sol Charissa 62 Eau de Parfum. So here's the Sol de Janeiro perfume. So you can try that out if you've never tried it before. It smells phenomenal. So that is everything in the goodie bag. If you guys are interested in winning this goodie bag, all you have to do is leave me a comment, any comment. You can let me know how your week's going, how your day's going. You can let me know if you're using your samples. Hopefully you are. Anything you want to, just make sure you hashtag Sample Sunday so I know that you're entering the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, let me know if you are really using your samples or if you've used them all up. I do believe that I can provide you with plenty of samples if you win, because we've got plenty still to give away. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.